We've had teams all across East Texas today, so you don't have to be outside. Carson, we've been tracking this thing as it's gotten worse. It's getting a little bit closer. What are we looking like as we near the end of this Saturday?
Yeah, I mean, we have an icy mix ongoing for a good chunk of our western counties already, and we don't have a lot on the radar, but we're starting to see more numerous activity now across our western counties, as I just mentioned. But look what is along the Interstate 35 corridor, really beginning to inch towards the I-45 corridor. Yeah, that's all freezing rain, sleet, and snow all headed in our direction, and this could give us, you know, a good inch or two of sleet or another quarter inch of ice, depending on how it shakes out for us. So let me zoom in. We'll do a little bit of analysis here, and again, these are very fine drops of precipitation, so they're hard to detect on the radar. So while it may not appear that we are seeing a lot of, let's say, sleet or freezing rain, it is still lightly sleeting or lightly icing the roadways, which can be just as dangerous as, you know, like whiteout conditions if it was snowing a lot. But, you know, quite a bit of activity continues to move in. Van Zant, Henderson County seeing more activity comparably to what we saw this morning. And then further to the southeast, even in Sabine and San Augustine and Shelby counties now, we're seeing more activity. And this continues to move from southwest to northeast. So it's looking like we're in for a nasty night of weather, and the ice storm warning, it is still in play for our central and southern counties. We've already seen the impacts of it today, especially in Rusk County near Mount Enterprise. We saw all those power outages, and a lot of you in Mount Enterprise are still in the dark this evening. So let's talk about additional accumulation. So a lot of us already seen a quarter, maybe even up to a half inch of ice. We could see another round of that in our southeastern counties, and then perhaps 0.1 to a quarter of an inch of ice. If this ends up being more freezing rain, like some of the analysis is telling us it's going to be, we could see a little more than that. So we're keeping an eye on that. But to the north of I-20, sleet will be favored, and we could see anywhere from an additional 1 to 2 inches of sleet, and then perhaps up to an inch further to the south. So through Monday night, here are the hazards. Through midnight tonight, I do expect precipitation to increase. Roads will be slick because of that precipitation. Midnight to 9 o'clock in the morning, we're seeing a mixture of sleet, freezing rain, and snow. Again, road conditions just bad. Just don't do it if you don't have to. And then rest of Sunday, the precipitation moves out, but we still have a winter risk. We've got very cold mornings in the forecast, both Monday and Tuesday morning, where temperatures could push the single digits. Here's a look at Futurecast. This is 11 o'clock tonight. More precipitation in the area. It continues to ramp up from southwest to northeast. We've got more activity at 1 o'clock in the morning. We could see potentially a few rounds of this round of precipitation, and you can see by 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, lots of activity in both our eastern and our western counties. And then this precipitation, it begins to taper off right after sunrise, and by 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, we're probably just dealing with a few flurries, but it will be cloudy Sunday afternoon, and it's going to stay cold because of that. Tonight, we'll see temperatures fall into the upper teens and lower 20s. Tomorrow afternoon, we're in the 20s and 30s. I don't think anybody gets to freezing tomorrow. And then as we look at your low temperatures tomorrow night, this is for Monday morning, some single digits, perhaps some areas falling to about 10, 11, 12 degrees, and it's very cold Tuesday morning. You will want to do what you need to do to protect your infrastructure from these colder temperatures, because it's going to be very, very cold. 29 Monday, 38 Tuesday, 40s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and next Saturday. In deep East Texas, not quite as cold, but still pretty rough the next few days. We'll see plenty of sunshine by the middle part of next week.